Hi, I'm Devin. Welcome again to the Money Minute. So 2026 now feels well and truly underway, with a lot going on, particularly in financial markets. This is highlighted by the weekend ahead, which has a lot for South African investors to consider. So let's take you through some of that. Starting at home, the Rand has been incredibly strong this year and is currently testing 16 to the US dollar. Now cast your mind back to April last year, when we had broken through the 19 level after Trump's tariffs, and the 20 level to the US dollar looked very possible. Our currency strength has been driven by a weaker dollar and very strong precious metal prices. More on that just now. Another big event this week for our investors is the Reserve Bank's interest rate decision. They're expected to reduce interest rates further as our inflation rate continues to cool. But the market is split on whether they're going to cut now or a little bit later in the year. Zooming out globally, investors also have a lot to think about this week. Firstly, we have US economic data, we've also got central bank expectations and big corporate earnings, particularly from the large tech companies. These are all being released and are going to shape the market's direction. Additionally, the gold price has just broken $5,000 for the first time ever today. Now this has been driven by nerves around politics, which we can understand, and central bank buying. We've also seen the prices of other precious metals like silver and platinum rise recently due to limited supply. The result of these high precious metal prices drove our mining company share prices higher last year and continues to do so in 2026. It's also great news for the South African government, who's going to be taking in a lot more taxes as a result. So all in all, a lot for investors to consider, and the challenge is always to determine what is news and what is noise. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.